In this video, we're going to review the topic free body motion. The objective is to identify the different types of motions of a rigid body in 2D system. On a 2D plane, a body can undergo three independent kinds of motions. There are two translations along x and y directions, and one rotation about the z-axis. Also, a structure is sufficiently supported only when there is no movement in the x and y directions and there are no rotations. We're asked to figure out which structure is sufficiently or completely supported for the following two pictures. Feel free to pause the video and solve the problem on your own. Now let's look at the first structure. Is this structure sufficiently supported? Before we start, we should ask ourselves three questions. Is there any vertical support? Can the structure move vertically? Can it move horizontally? Also, is there any rotation? Since these two supports are in a diagonal, we will need to create a new coordinate system. Let's call it S and R. They are supported through R directions, but not S directions. However, they are neither fully supported in X nor Y directions, and a rotation can be generated. Therefore, it is not fully supported. Now, let's look at the second one. We should always ask ourselves three questions before we answer this one. Can the structure move vertically? Can the structure move horizontally? And are there any rotations? The structure has roller support that are perpendicular to each other, and therefore there is no movement in the x or y directions. Since the two supports are at different locations, therefore there will also be no rotations. Thus, the structure is sufficiently supported. So in summary, the left structure is not sufficiently supported and the right one is sufficiently supported.